missed you, baby. He's so cute. He's handsome.
Oh, Mercy. I've heard a lot about you.
Mercy is a very beautiful girl. You're not supposed to introduce her to your man.
Mercy is more like a sister to me.
I don't know how possible it is, but I want you to come over the weekend to do some cleaning for me.
Have you forgotten to see my nails? French tips. You want it to stain?
I'm done with Empress and I'm mean it.
How can you send Mercy to your fiance's house to clean up the place when I was against it that you sent her over there to cook for him the other time?
So you sent your daughter to a man's house, a man that has not paid her dowry.
If he comes to ask you out now, will you accept him?
I don't understand. It's like you begin to watch plenty American film.
I prefer I go for a friend.
If you are beginning to nurse some kind of feelings towards me, cut it. It's not gonna work.
Empress, you know better than not to talk back at me. What is wrong with you?
Really?
Have you gone insane?
That is exactly who you are.
How? How did I get you pissed off?
What do you mean by how? You belong to my best friend. I don't want to go into an unending war with the Johnsons. By the time I am done with you, even God will not even have mercy on you.